Look who it is. Morning. Damn, it looks good, bro. Alright, so today we got Vic's 1G Eclipse. We're gonna be changing out his headers on his car. There he is. It's NA4G63. He's gonna be putting the Megan headers?
No, they're
God Snow headers.
eBay.
Sick. So yeah, we're gonna get this heat shield off, get those stock headers off, and then hopefully this one fits. We'll see right now. Putting it to work. Sheesh. No, you're good. It's just because it's rusty, probably. Oh. Snapped. But yeah, there's two 12 mils on top and then one on the bottom. So yeah, then the heat shield should come off. Is it hot?
No. I just got scared.
Bruh. Alright, so it looks like that bottom bolt is a 13. And then the other 3 are 12 mil bolts. So we sprayed some PB Blaster on the headers. So yeah, they're all loose right now. We got the heat shield off. The O2 sensor, we unplugged it from up here. We got it loose first with the O2 sensor socket. And to take it off, you just push it off this bracket, and then with the screwdriver, you just lift this portion up and it pops right out. And then the bottom, I unbolted this from the downpipe, so it should be ready to pull off. We just have to take these bolts off. So we got the headers off. Turns out there was 3 bolts on the bottom, and to take those off, I used 11 16ths to take that off. So yeah, Vic's just cleaning up the engine bay right now. It's looking brand new. We got the downpipe off. Again, these 2 back bolts are 11 16ths, and then the hanger bolt is going to be a 12, and then those 3 bolts over there are 11 16ths, and then you got a ground connector that you need to take off, and it's a 10 mil, and then we're just going to throw on the new headers. So yeah, pretty easy. It's only taking us 2 hours. Alright, so we got the headers in. As you can see, we kind of did have to drill out the holes because the bolts weren't lining up. We drilled them out a little bit and then it was good to go. Just have to force it in there a little. But Vic's gonna start it up right now. Let's hear it, let's hear it. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, sounds good. What do you think? Sheesh.
grease is hitting, is rubbing, huh?
Oh, the exhaust?
Yeah.
Probably.
That little bracket thing.
Stay on this.
210?
Yeah. This way. Oh shit. Sheesh. That tire though. Sounds pretty good.
I'm happy.
Sick.